To access Soothsayer, first of all, head to https://localhost/ui/login. Then use the username and password provided by your administrator to log in. Once in Soothsayer, we will first change the UI to operator mode. This is located in the top left corner. In the top right corner, we can access documentation about Soothsayer, which opens up in a new tab. Next to this is a button to open up the account management window. Within this, we have the option to log out, view our API key, as well as see how many API calls we've made. We can also see the server that our mapping is being sourced from. This can be changed to a custom domain if required. To pan around the map, you can hold down the left mouse key. To zoom in and out, you can scroll using the middle mouse button. To rotate the map, hold down the middle mouse button and drag. We can head to a known location by using the search facility in the top right corner. Pressing the home icon will center the map on your most recent calculation. We can view the map in different formats by selecting the map icon in the top right corner. By pressing the question mark, we get a reminder on how we can navigate the map. To view Soothsayer in full screen, press the full screen button in the bottom right corner.